nVent HOFFMAN is proud to introduce our Universal Freestand product family. Universal Freestand enclosures speed design and modification with easy-to-choose accessories for large unibody enclosures. These standard enclosures ship faster, modify and assemble faster, and increase safety, providing you and your customers more time. Universal Freestand was created with two goals in mind: reduce overall project lead time and improve user safety. This is done by providing an easy-to-understand, select, modify, ship, and assemble base enclosure solution with key accessories that improve safety and component density for a given application. Universal Freestand offers base enclosures in two main materials demanded in automation and control applications: mild steel and stainless steel. These base models can be quickly configured to create multi-door enclosure configurations that best fit the application needs. To add further value to the base enclosures, the following accessories were created. For safety, a Type 1 rated barrier panel, a Type 1 rated false floor that mounts inside the enclosure. This not only helps with voltage separation, but also improves the aesthetics of the interior of the enclosure. The false floor is easily installed and improves the overall safety of the Universal Freestand products. For increased component density, side panels, filler panels, and panel gliders, which are easy-to-use tools aiding installation of the heavy back panels. They can prevent dropping the panel into the lower section of the enclosure. And operator release mechanisms and adapter plates. End plates and baying kits are required in most instances to complete the base solution. These features allow either improved safety or increased component density. Universal Freestand mild steel models, including the end plates, are rated and marked NEMA Type 12, 4, and 3R, and also include an IP66 rating. This means the mild steel enclosures can be used in indoor and outdoor applications where corrosion is not an issue. Stainless steel models, including end plates, are rated for NEMA Type 4X, 4, 12, and 3R, and also include an IP66 rating. This means the stainless steel enclosures can be used indoor or outdoor where corrosion is a concern. An enclosure solution with multiple type ratings eliminates a design constraint for our customers and offers a better environmental solution on the factory floor than may be required. There are three different base models that can be selected for a custom configuration: a left side open, both sides open, and right side open, each providing the unique design elements required for your project. Whether it be adding mechanical interlocks like this improved interlock, which connects to door guide rods, adding security by maintaining three-point contact. Also, the interlock can be easily modified for voltage separation, or easily expanding into multi-bay enclosures. To meet North American standards, the Universal Freestand products were tested and listed to CUL US to meet Canada and US UL requirements, and to UL 508A to meet UL 508A requirements. To help North American customers that have operations internationally, we also tested and marked enclosures IP10 and IP66, following IEC 62262 and IEC 60529 standards. The flexibility of Universal Freestand base enclosures saves customers time by simplifying selection, design, shipping, and assembly of their multi-bay large enclosure solution. Time savings in each of these processes can compound to greatly reduce overall project lead time, often from weeks and days to just days and hours, all while providing improved safety solutions and the potential for increased uptime. Thank you for joining us in this brief overview of the Universal Freestand. For additional information, please contact your nVent HOFFMAN sales representative.